How to delete Discord account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Discord account on both iOS and Android device. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you. These steps are similar on both iOS and Android device, so make sure you stay tuned to the video. First, open up the Discord app on any of your device and then you'll find an interface like this. Simply head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here once on profile you'll be able to see a profile here. Now simply head into the third option, the account option that you can see on the screen. Here if you scroll down below under account, here you'll be able to see the option disable account and delete account. Now if you want to disable your account, if you don't want to delete it, you can simply tap on disable account and your account will be disabled. However, if you want to delete your account, simply tap on delete account, and then here you can see you own servers. In order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. Delete all the servers that you own or to transfer the ownership of your servers to someone else before you delete your account, or else you won't be able to delete it. And once you do it, if you tap on delete account, you'll get the confirmation, and then if you follow the procedures, you'll be able to delete your Discord account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.